Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some free tools which I use to enhance my images. Alright, so sometimes as a designer, there will be situations whereby you download maybe a low resolution image, or maybe your client sent you a low resolution image. Now, for you to enhance it, you can need some of these tools which I'm going to reveal in this video. Alright, so make sure you stick around because the second one is an uncommon one which many people don't know and you wouldn't want to miss it. Alright, so with no further ado, let's go into it. So the first particular application which I'm talking about is Vivid App. Alright, this particular app here where my cursor is. Alright, so this particular app is very good. I've been using it for over a year now. Yes, before I found the second one, but the app has been serving me very well. Yes, so let's go into the Vivid App. So when you open the Vivid App is actually has a free version and also a paid version. But the good thing is that you can enhance your images using the free version without having to go premium. But if you wish to go for a free trial or go premium, it's wonderful. I believe you have much more features to explore. Okay, so when you showcase this kind of thing, you go ahead and click on the cancel. Alright, so this particular tool has so many features. There is a lot you can do with this, but most of them are premium. Alright, but this particular one, which is to enhance image, all you have to do is just that you're going to watch some ad for some seconds and that's all. Okay, if watching ads will be it, then that's not a big deal. So you go ahead and click on it. Alright, when you click on it, I will bring in the image which I want to enhance. Alright, so I already provided this image right here. Okay, I'll click on the image, tap on watch. Okay, so you just have to watch this ad for 15 seconds, and after that they will go ahead and enhance our image. It doesn't take time, only take 15 seconds. Actually 15 seconds is a lot of time, but it's worth it. All right, so you cancel this, then it's going to go ahead and start the enhance process. Yeah, our image is ready, and can you see resolution? Damn, this is so great. This is beautiful. Okay, for reference purposes, there are some times whereby they might tend to distort your image, so you have to do is just adjust some things here, but this particular one, it's okay and you can use it this way. All right, this is very wonderful and I love it. Okay, I'll go ahead, tap here to download, and yes, save to gallery. Can you see that? So this is exactly with the way you can use the Vivid app to enhance your image. Okay, so if you go to your gallery now, you'll find your enhanced image in your gallery. All right, so that is it for Vivid app. So let's go for the second app. All right, there's another application which is also good for enhancing image. This is good maybe as, let me say, when the Vivid app is having some issue, you can make use of this second option. All right, not like it's bad, like it really works so well. I have the application all this while, but I never made use of it. I never knew it even had the tool to enhance images. Okay, so this tool which I'm talking about is no other tool than the CapCut. All right, yes, the CapCut that you know, the video editing tool, CapCut. All right, so currently CapCut have this feature which is totally free, and that's the awesome part, that you can use to enhance your images. All right, so you can leverage this particular tool to enhance your image as a designer, use it and create your designs. So let's go into it so I can show you how you can do that. All right, so when you enter into your CapCut, it's going to load just like this, and after loading, it will show you the interface. All right, so it has come up and this is the interface. When you open your CapCut, this is what you show. I mean, when you open it on your smartphone, this is what it shows. So you go ahead and tap on this expand. When you tap on it, all right, so you see what we are looking for right here. That is this image enhancement. All right, image enhancement is totally free. As you can see, you can use it to enhance your image. So you go ahead, tap on it. So after tapping on it, they will ask you to add the image you want to enhance. All right, they will load your image. This is the image we just enhanced, and this is the one we have not enhanced. So I'll go ahead and tap on this one here and add. Okay, after adding, it will begin to work on it. So the image is being enhanced, and we check out the result. All right, can you see the result? This is also beautiful. This is wonderful. I mean, it's very nice, and this is good to go. You get, this is very good to go, and I love it. And this is it. It's so beautiful, very, very beautiful. And you can use this from here. You can go and tap on export, and it will be exported right away into your gallery. Exported, save to device. All right, so these are the two tools which I used for my enhancement, and they have been saving me. I don't need to pay to do this, and you can also use it too. Okay, stop using low resolution images for your designs. Go ahead, use one of these tools and enhance them, and they are good to go. As simple as that. All right, if you got value from this video, make sure you hit the like button so that YouTube will get to share this to more people. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question. Okay, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button, as more premium content will be dropping on this channel. It's Cornelius right here, and thank you for watching this video. All right, I will see you in my next video. Until next time, stay creative.